Hello everyone, have a nice day. Today, let's restore this titanium coil treble speaker. Please watch this video until the end so you can do it yourself at home. It's really very simple and easy to do. Don't forget to support me by subscribing to the channel, liking and sharing with many friends. Now let's check it out and take it apart. I will use a multimeter to measure first. Oh, it doesn't come on. Looks like it had a broken coil inside. Or it's burned. Now I'll take it off. I will use a screwdriver to remove it. This speaker uses a set of quite sturdy hexagonal screws. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and share to support my development. Thank you very much. Look at this. It still has the seal from the factory. It has never been repaired. Open it. Oh, what a great titanium coil. Oh, it hasn't burned the coil yet. I predict it will break or the solder contact will peel off. To be more certain, I will measure it again to see if it is broken or unsoldered. Leave it here temporarily so you can check the wire. The winding is actually very beautiful. Maybe my prediction is very correct. Looks like it has a soldered joint at the output. I will check again to see which side has the problem. Looks like both sides have damaged welds. It could be due to overuse of its capacity or due to a long period of time it oxidizes the weld. Because this wire wrap is made of flat aluminum wire, it is very susceptible to oxidation over time. That's right, it has problems on both sides. Can you see the damaged area clearly? I see it has been oxidized under the green glue. Please see, I will solder both sides of this contact to see if it works. Let's wait for the results. This weld is very small, so please be a little clever. Please set the welding machine's temperature to about 300 degrees Celsius to avoid damaging the speaker coil's wire wrapping frame. Be gentle and skillful. Do you see? It's so simple, isn't it? Now I will clean this solder to check again. Take it easy, guys. Here I use fragrant gasoline to clean the welds. I see you haven't clicked the subscribe button to my channel yet. Click now to not miss these wonderful moments. Thank you very much, one. It looks so good. Got it on one side. And on this side, I will do the same. Please follow me closely. Okay, so I finished soldering both sides. Do you think it's simple? Have you done it yet? Please leave all your good questions for me in the comments section. I really need that from you guys, because that is the motivation for me to grow stronger and give greater value to everyone in this world. Now please join me in checking one last time for assembly. All right, guys, let's install it with me to try. Let's go. Okay, it's working, guys. Do you think the signal is very good? So that's the song, guys. Now let's install its shell and try it with music. Do you think it's good, simple, and easy to do? Now please share your video to spread knowledge to all your friends. Remember to leave your opinions below in the comments section. Thank you for watching all my videos.